everybody, how are ya? Welcome to Passionate Intrigue Arts and More with Tracy. I've got a couple of projects that I'm working on. 2026 outdoor spring decor projects. First thing, I've already started it. I'm rehabbing these. I did these a couple years ago with my granddaughter, and this is just a plastic terrarium type bowl from the Dollar Tree, and I forgot what I did to it. It looks like I did a paper mache or something. I don't know, decoupage. But anyway, I painted it over to refresh it, and then I cut out vinyl circles to put on here instead of, we had it spray painted before. And then I used just a little extra glue to hold these down because it wasn't sticking very well to this. So I'm going to take this outside and spray paint it with a clear coating, this here. And then I will be attaching it. I use vases, old vases that I have or collected, and I spray paint the inside green. That's what I did this time. Spray paint the inside green, and then I will be taking some super glue, not super glue, some E6000, and putting it on top like that. Here's one that I've already done, and I got yellow vinyl on this one, and just set them outside in the garden, around the garden, somewhere out there. Just pull a pop color in the yard. So I'm going to add that glue, take that outside, spray it, and then I did a few yard signs, garden signs, and I'll be doing these for sale on, what do you call them, charger plates. I want to do mine first. I have this old, from my security company that secures my home, and I don't want it outside to say the name of the security company because they don't need to know that I got security. Come up in here if you want to. So I spray painted this with a primer, a Rust-Oleum primer for metal, because this one is metal, and use vinyl to put this free weeds, pull your own. So I'll be sticking that out there somewhere. And then this was my alder previous to ADP, my security system, and they were taken over by ADP. So this old sign, metal sign, and it already has the backing. I need to locate some of these so I can make some to add to what I'm going to be making with the charger plates, these posts. But I painted this one, and this is for my garden spot. I think it's a little busy. I put a little too much on there, but it is what it is. They're glued down, and it's going out there too. Okay? Thumbs up. Peace and love. Spruce up your yard. Spruce up your garden. Spruce up your backyard. Front yard. A little decor. Peace and love. We'll see you soon.